Hi everyone and welcome to TechStam's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix when installed apps are not showing on the home screen of your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So for example, when you install a new app from the App Store and when it's installed on your iPhone and when you go to your home screen, you don't find it here. So here we'll show you how to fix that. The first way is simply go to the settings app and scroll down, tap on home screen, and in home screen settings under newly downloaded apps you have two options. The first option is add to home screen and the second option is app library only. So when the app library only is selected as the option, so when you install a new apps from the App Store, they will only show up in the app library here. So if you want to show the newly downloaded apps on your home screen, simply go to settings up in the home screen here, and newly added apps, simply select add to home screen. So now whenever you download and install a new app from the App Store, they will show up on your home screen. So here simply select that, and if it doesn't simply fix the problem, the second thing you can do is simply reset all settings. So for that, go to settings, go to general settings, and here tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Here select reset and select all reset all settings. Now put your passcode here, then again tap on reset all settings. So when it's done, simply it may fix your problem. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe please.